Hey, listen, I texted you. I want to know about the cons of co-signing for a home for my daughter and her boyfriend.
I know you texted
I
me
was
about
out
it,
of
didn't
town.
you?
Yeah,
And I
you,
texted you.
you.
I texted you back and I said, "Don't do it."
That's it. But I've been out of town, but I thought all week, but I thought I'd catch you up with the answer on the radio show. What's the cons of doing that, please?
Oh my goodness, Larry. Well, what happened,
Many?
Larry? There are so many of them, Larry. Okay, what if they quit
Yes.
making payments and you're on the hook, and now your credit is
Right.
destroyed? What if they buy this house and they
Right.
break up? Boyfriends and girlfriends do that all the time. Leave you hanging.
Right.
What if they quit making payments and they do a mortgage foreclosure on it? So forget about the cons, Larry. Where's the pro? What's in it for you? How does it serve you, Larry?
What?
Not at all.
Well, other than helping my daughter, but I was worried about the liability. I'm prepared if that happened to have to take over the thing. But what about the liability? Like when a car you sign. I know you never sign on a car for your kids, or you shouldn't. But what about liability
It'd be
of
this
being on
well.
the loan?
So Larry, let me. If you really, 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 really want to do this, Larry, may I suggest that this
Right.
home would be bought by your daughter only, not your daughter
Okay.
friend or boyfriend. Okay,
Okay.
you might get me on board
Right.
with that. So Larry, let's move to the next level, and that is this: is that if you're going to co-sign for a loan, I want you to also be an owner. I want your name on the title of that thing. I want you to have some rights to that property if you're obligated on the mortgage. So if you really want to go
Okay.
forward with this, Larry, then tell your daughter, yes, I'll do it with two conditions. Number one, your boyfriend, he's out. He can live there if he wants to, but
Right.
it's just you. And by the way, and number two, I want
Right.
to be on the title. I want to be a co-owner with you.
Okay. All right. That'll answer the question. That's what I was main concerned about, the liability. But I appreciate your
Hey,
answer.
when you're talking to her, you
Thank
can blame it
thank
on
you.
me. Blame it on attorney Tom Olsen. He told it to you on the radio.
Right. All right. Thanks.
All right.
Take care.
All right. Larry, Robert, just so you know, me and Chrissy, we talk about on the radio every once in a while, and that is that me and Chrissy had a policy that we would never, ever, ever co-sign a loan for our kids, whether it's a car or a house, you name it. Won't do it, never have, never will.
No, because it can come back. It's that old saying, "No good deed goes unpunished," right?
Mm-hmm.
It can always come back and bite you, so to speak.
Well, of all the estate planning we've done over the years, a good percentage of people said, Tom, I've got 3 kids. One of them, I'm leaving that child nothing. And we said, well, why? And there's different reasons, but 25% of the reasons is, well, I loaned them money, they didn't pay me back. I co-signed a loan for them, they defaulted, and I was holding the bag. It's just bad.
It's
Don't
bad
do
business.
it. Yeah.